Package list. The wall-mounted temperature and humidity sensor has a beautiful appearance. The protection level is IP65, rain and snow protection and good air permeability. This temperature and humidity sensor is available without display. Adopt RS485, 0 to 5 volt, 0 to 10 volt, 4 to 20 mA output, 10 to 30 volt wide voltage range power supply. The built-in sensor adopts a high-precision temperature and humidity measurement unit, which has good long-term stability. Can be used in industrial environments with simple installation. The measurement data is updated in real time, and the response is sensitive. View and export historical data through the free cloud platform provided by our company.